Getting support in BluHorn is now easier than ever. You've been there before, working in a worksheet, entering information, copying and pasting cells, and suddenly you have a question. No problem. Scroll up and hit the Life Raft button from the worksheet where you have a question and create a support ticket. It's especially important that you create the ticket from the worksheet where you have an issue so that our support team can quickly look at it for you and get you an answer. It gives us the link to where you came from. Also, we provide some answers, some quick how-tos at the end of the support ticket process. From your dashboard, there's a couple more options as well. We've created a reports section for you. Simply click on reports, and we've listed there all different types of reports, where to find them, and what they include. You can click the purple button to see an example of any of the reports. There's other reports that you might not know are available. Hit reports on the main menu, and you can see them there. Try them out. Also from the dashboard, we now have a new button for you to select what day and time you would like to schedule a screen share. If you need training or support, have questions, and want to meet with someone live, simply click this button and schedule the time that works best for you. You'll be scheduled for a live session with a member of our support team who will help. Please fill out the form and give us some general information about what you'd like to cover. And we'll see you soon. Thank you for being a BluHorn customer. It's our pleasure to help you.